Hi, welcome to today's aftermarket analysis journal. Today is the 29th of May, coming towards the end of May here. Today's going to be actually a quick one because there's no trade second on the day. It's just some things I wanted to recap for future references, also related to a setup that I had missed. So yeah, let's get into it. So coming to the day, again, Monday we had a bank holiday. Day after that, we had news, but today's Wednesday, so yesterday being Tuesday, the news I believe was consumer sentiment, so it wasn't anything super impactful. And today we had no news at all. So I think price is just, trying to catch up and come, Thursday and Friday, so being tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we should start to see, price kind of have some moves. So yeah, it's just price hasn't been the best. And today, especially, it was too conflicting, especially when you look at the 15-minute. If the 15-minute isn't really showing, moves, and it's just this is showing that price is very unclear. So in the morning, it was kind of, obvious that price was going to be like this, as it was literally just, SMT, or just like multiple conflicting biases, whether it be like like smaller time frame PD arrays against smaller time frame PD arrays. And so, yeah, bias was not clear, but there was one good setup throughout the day that I could have taken, and that was coming into the PM session. I had literally seen it. If I go on the 2 minute, because that was the highest time frame fair value gap in the leg. By the time I had saw it, it was already on. Let me move this out the way. It was on this candle. Nice. It was on this candle right here, and we had already been too far down by the time I would have entered. But the entry should have been here. Literally, it would have been an amazing entry too. Just what, not even a point past the inversion was the close, and it came down to take out what take profit would have been, which would have been lunch lows for about a 1 to 2. Reason I had missed it though is because I had seen the inverse fair value gap. I think this is literally while the 2 minute candle was still going before it had closed. But I said, okay, I don't have enough conviction yet to take just because it's an inverse doesn't mean I'm going to take it. Even when I know that the draw is probably towards these lunch lows. But then I had seen that we had these equal lows. Again, still not super high conviction. It just this is where once we've taken out these equal lows, that's where my break even would have been. So I kind of started to see it, and then it was um you know uh, going back earlier to just the way 1 p.m. open, we had an open high low close. Even though I wanted to potentially see an open low high close, take out AM high and possibly take out London high, so that didn't happen. So that's why also my conviction was the lows down here. But once I had seen this SMT, which again, it had already panned out earlier, it just I hadn't seen the SMT until this candle, and then that's where I wanted to enter. But like I said, we had already closed here. This candle had just opened up, and by that time we were already down here. So it was a missed move. I would have taken it 100%. I would have taken it. Like I said, I was looking at the setup. I just did not see the SMT. Now, if I would have seen the SMT before and then this entry closed and I had already had this drawn out, then I would have taken the entry 100%. Not saying that hindsight, because I wanted to take this entry. It's just by the time I was about to take it, we were already on this candle and we had already swept these equal lows. So obviously, I'm not going to take it. But yeah, ended up coming down, taking this out. That's literally basically it. Again, I had all these things drawn out. It was just so much conflicting bias. Nothing really right here. I was wanting to see 2 p.m. open, see if we would soup this. And then, because after we had taken this out, which there was really no entry on the way back up, because I think the highest time frame on here was a 5 minute or something like that. And it just, I don't believe I would have taken it. But I did not also see. But again, I wouldn't really say there was an entry in here. Was looking for something here for 2 p.m. open, low, high, close. Take out these this turtle soup and target these highs. Didn't get that. And then again, I wouldn't have traded past this time really. Past what is this? 3 o'clock. Yeah, I mean 3. I don't really care to look at anything past 2:30, unless I'm very I have like a very strong conviction on a draw and we haven't hit it yet, and there's a possibility that we are going towards it. But past this point, I really had no conviction on, I didn't think we were going to come up here and take these highs, and all my objectives had already been met for the low besides the AM. But again, I wasn't focusing on shorts, if anything. But there was this little setup here, but this would have got stopped out at break even. But I wasn't even this is not something I probably would have really taken, but this is 100% the opportunity I would have taken if I just would have seen this SMT sooner. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. So far, only one trade on the week, and yeah, that's it. So I mean, I'll see this upcoming week how if we take any trades or anything like that. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys possibly either Thursday or Friday. See ya.